Okay, this year.
Bagi faham lah.
This year.
Oh, sini.
This year. Hai, Assalamualaikum.
Ya.
Jun LNJ or Jun Exhaust?
First LNJ.
First LNJ.
Next exhaust.
Next Exhaust.
Same lah, friend.
Oh,
I don't know.
Same team lah.
Yeah, we at the same team, Exhaust.
Oh,
2000 what?
Huh?
The year. We
your team same together.
yeah.
Oh, date ah?
The date. Yeah.
Oh, the date ah. 10.
Tahun berapa?
Cakap.
Okay, the year.
2014.
2014.
Yeah. 2014.
Oh.
Until 2000.
Eh,
Until 2000.
2014 lah.
14 until 2000.
2000 what auntie? Auntie what?
Until. Bukan anti.
Oh,
Until.
Aku ingat auntie Amway tu.
Sampai tu bila?
Oh, tahun bila?
2015.
2015 apa?
15.
15 tu what?
15.
Oh, 15. Ha, okay,
We
I know.
together in first in Maharaja Omega 2014. And
Next, project komedi warna.
Yes.
I know.
Just 1 year lah.
1 year, yeah.
In the 2015 that one. 2 years lah. Okay, now where do you stay?
Oh, stay where? Oh, duduk lah. Stay Langkawi.
Langkawi. Which part?
Pas town Kuah.
Kuah. Oh.
Yes.
Pekan Kuah lah. Pekan Kuah.
You know Kuah?
I know.
So, what you do for living there?
Living ah.
Yeah.
Wow, living. What living?
Work as what?
Oh, working.
Working, yes.
Yeah, working. Word small. Working. Job ah.
Job lah.
Working.
What is your job now?
Freelance.
Freelance in what?
Freelance. Buy the cat food.
Cat food.
Cat food. Hantar kedai-kedai.
Oh, distribute.
Buy beli.
Yeah, you buy and you distribute.
Ya.
Supply lah.
You supply.
Supply
The cat food.
Kedai runcit shop.
Oh, to the ni lah, to the retail.
So you very love the cat lah.
Love ah.
Ha.
Very love Love cat animal apa? Love cat. Love very animal lah. All animal.
All animal you love lah.
Yeah, love. Ni no.
What ni?
Poison.
Apa benda?
Geli. Ulat.
Oh, snake.
Snake.
So now you still active in the actor?
Acting.
Actor pula aku silap.
Dia pun silap. Acting ah.
Ya.
Acting. Maksud dia apa tu? Berlakon lah.
Yes.
Maksud dia I acting cannot the woman.
Cannot?
Please try again later.
So now you don't have any plan to move from Langkawi or you want to stay Langkawi?
Oh, and now stay the Langkawi lah.
Do you have any plan to move from Langkawi?
Move Langkawi, I don't know. Maksud dia tak tahu. Maksud dia apa tu? Aku tak. Aku kena bengong dah.
The school holiday.
Sekolah
holiday.
lah. School holiday.
School holiday.
Cuti sekolah.
Yes.
Oh, school holiday
A lot of people go to Langkawi this year.
What?
Apa tu?
This year.
Dia kata apa tu?
Slow pun tak faham. Okay, this year.
Bagi faham lah.
This year.
Oh, sini.
This year. How about 5? This year 5.
Oh, 5
Langkawi.
2017.
Yeah.
Ai.
20
25, 25.
2025.
Oh, very good lah.
Very good. You go and watch the plane demonstration or
Demonstration and fly a jet in the Langkawi. Rusia, very good. Rusia, India.
Okay, go. Continue.
Cannot 2025 cannot go the maksud dia tak meriah.
Not like before.
Jahanam.
Sembah